Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix suspended Facebook account for 180 days. First, let's be clear. When Facebook says 180 days, it means your account or you have 180 days to request a review. If you don't need, your account may be permanently banned. After 180 days, recovery usually not possible, so don't wait. Open the Facebook app. When you see a message saying your account is suspended and how many days you have left to request review, appeal or learn more is available. If Facebook allows an appeal for following the steps on the screen, you may need to confirm your email or phone number, upload a clear photo ID, verify your name and birthday, make sure your ID matches your profile name, the photo is clear, not blurry, then submit the appeal. After submitting, Facebook will review your account. This can take a few days or a week. Check your email inbox, your spam folder, Facebook support index. Facebook will send update there. If your appeal is approved, your account will be restored automatically. If Facebook denies it, there may be no future option except waiting for the 180 days to end. The most important thing is to appeal as soon as possible, and that's it. Now you know how to fix Facebook account suspended for 180 days. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.